Hey guys, today we're going to give you a tour of our future office space. So we're super excited to show you our new space. We're gonna show it to you from the ground up, and we wanna go over our vision for the design and the flow of the office. Let's go check it out. So when you first walk in, we're gonna have our waiting room. Basically, our vision and goal for the waiting room is to really have a comfy space that our patients can come and relax in and feel comfortable before their appointment. We really, envision it having really comfy couch, cool lighting coming down from the ceiling. We'll have like a little fridge with some drinks, maybe a little coffee station. We also have a lot of professionals that come to our office that they're always working. We're thinking about maybe having a little workstation, maybe a little iPad station, so where people can, do work if they need to before their appointment. Overall, we want it to really have a comfortable, homey feel that our patients can hang out in whenever they come here. Over here, we plan on having our front office desk where patients can check in, check out. We'll also have a little space here for billing where they can work. Lena has a lot of lookbooks showing the design of the office, the look that we're going for. It's gonna be very modern, very hip. I think just unique, a fun place that patients and staff can enjoy coming to, and we can't wait to share that with you guys within the next upcoming videos. Over here is where we plan on having most of our operatories. As you can see, we have these beautiful giant windows in this space. This is probably one of our favorite aspects of this space. We really wanted something with a lot of natural light, and so the plan is to try to have every chair facing an outside window so our patients can have a beautiful view when they're here with their treatment. I'm sure a lot of you have been in dental offices or just medical offices in general where there's no windows. Currently in our office space, we have that issue where we don't have a lot of windows in the back areas, which really makes the space feel closed off, a little bit dark, and that's something we wanted to change in this new space. Also from a clinical aspect, it makes it a lot easier when doing dentistry, when picking shades, to have that natural light and not be so dark. So I really think that this is gonna help make the space feel more comfortable for our patients and also more comfortable for our staff. Between each of our chairs, we plan on having our x-ray units that can be shared between the chairs. Behind the chairs, we plan on having some custom cabinets. That makes it a lot easier for the doctors and the assistants to work. We really wanted to make sure when we designed the office that there was enough space for the doctors to work, for the assistants to move, and also easy access to the equipment. So if we need to grab something, we don't want our assistants having to go far. So we are going to be designing some custom cabinets so we can make it exactly how we want. We also plan on having TVs in each room. So if our patients want to watch TV or a movie, or if we need to show treatment, we can easily do that. It was important for us not to block the windows. So basically we will kind of plan on having the TVs off to the side a little bit, and then they can kind of swing in front so we can show treatment easily to our patients. So in this middle area here, we plan on having probably 2 more operatories, but also we plan on having our sterilization area and also having a kitchen area. So for us, it's really important to make sure that we have a good flow to the office. It makes it easier on the doctors and the assistants, especially when they're cleaning the rooms and setting them up. So we make sure it's easy for them to take the trays out and clean them and get new equipment. We plan on having our sterilization area here. And we also plan on having a kitchen area where our staff can take their breaks. In our current office, we don't really have an official break room. It's kind of a really small space, and that's something we definitely want to change in this new office. We love our staff and we want them to have a place where they can relax. They work very hard, so we definitely want a bigger break room. This entire office space isn't actually gonna be ours. It's gonna end about here, about to this wall. This window is where it's gonna end. The entire suite space is about 2770 square feet as a whole. The office is gonna be equipped for 8 operatories, but we're probably just gonna start with 5 chairs, just so we can, slowly grow into the 8 chairs. Another big decision that we had to make when getting the space was whether we were going to purchase or lease. Again, there's a lot of different things you have to consider when leasing or buying. Our old space that we were at was a lease, and so for this one we did decide to buy. And that's something that we want to talk about in a future video, all the details, the difference of leasing and buying, and kind of maybe how to make that decision. Other big decision we had to make when deciding where to start the office was location. This building is literally probably 1 minute walking distance. It's very close. We could easily walk to our other office from this space, and that was important to us too. We didn't want to make too drastic of a change for our patients. We wanted it to be really, really easy for them to get here, and it's pretty much right down the road. So that also made it really easy to make the decision to move to this building. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We wanted this to kind of be, a little bit of an intro to the space, show you what it looked like, kind of show you our general plans and the general design so far. If you guys want to see more content like this, please give us a like below, and we'll see you for the next one.